Shipping large items in the UK? The packaging cost can add up really fast. Most people just grab any bubble wrap. This is a massive and expensive error. The trick is to match the wrap to your item, balancing protection with your budget. For big, heavy items, use big bubbles, 25mm plus. You'll use less and protect more. Want to save money? Buy in bulk rolls. You can slash your per meter cost up to 40%. Shipping a big TV or a PC, you must use anti-static wrap to prevent shock damage. Making the right choice saves you cash and makes sure your item arrives safely. Final check. Is your packaging courier compliant? The wrong wrap can void insurance.